Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We got a 2016 Polaris General 1000 with electric power steering. Has the upper front brush guard, cube light, LED light, aftermarket rim and tire. I'm going to say these tires are around 70% tread. Has the hard half doors, the half windshield, sport roof, glass rear window, overhead audio kit, tilt assist dump box. This machine does have the Dura clutch in it. It has a heater. It has 543 hours. 7,716 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up and drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always give us a call at 406-232-3300.